always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm doing a super bright summery sunflower inspired set, and I'm using all products from glitterplanetuk.com, which I will list down below if you are interested in anything you see in this video, so be sure to check it out if you do want to see what I've used. So I'm starting off by using Rain Mac and Lemon Sorbet at the tip of this nail, layered up to create a nice gorgeous deep glitter infused yellow tip, and then I'm going to come in with Toasted Rose and I'm going to blend that over the top and make an ombre style nail where the glitter kind of fades and disappears under that cover powder. Also, these tips that vivid ombre fade between the two, and it's just going to look really pretty and gorgeous. I love a glitter that fades into a like a shimmery yellowy color, or whatever colors they are, like a solid color fading into a glitter color that's similar. I just love that effect and think it looks super gorgeous. I then wanted to add some of the gold tones in, so I wanted to use the, I think it's Obsessed, one of our new shades. Yeah, it is. So I'm using a little bit of Obsessed and just placing it over the top of the glitter and fading that down. And in person this looked absolutely stunning, and you really can't see how gorgeous it really looks here on the video, but I promise it looked freaking bomb. So I'm coming back to the other nail that I did initially, and I'm just coming in with Obsessed again. I'm just running a slither of that glitter acrylic down the center of the nail and really being aware of where I place it with my brush, and I'm then coming in with my brush to clean it up and make a swirl kind of shape. I didn't want it to just be plonked on the nail. I wanted it to have some definition to it, although it's not absolutely perfect. once I'd finished with it, I was like, yes, like that looks freaking bomb. So yeah, I just do that until I've completely covered the entire nail. I just went off screen there because as you can see, I used it a little bit wet, so I had to just remove that. I didn't want it to drop into my pot, so I quickly, like, swiftly moved it away, removed that excess product, and just cracked on with making it work, and it definitely did. So yeah, I loved this combo. I hope you do too, and try it out. Don't forget to tag me on social media if you do, because I love seeing your recreations of my work. Look how gorgeous that looks. Just a little close-up of that dimension of glitter there. So I'm going to create a nice gorgeous crystal arrangement using Glitter Planet's flatback mixed shapes. I'm using this kind of teardrop or a pear drop in the larger shape, and then a smaller one just underneath it but in the opposite direction, and then I use a couple of other of the large pieces, and I'm also using the Nailmate tweezers to move these around. I love these tweezers, not only because they are precise but also because they are gorgeous. I used the purple plasma coloured ones, and they shift from like a purpley blue pinky colour, and I just love them. So yeah, I'm just applying my crystals with the instant nail glue, and the instant nail glue is perfect for applying tips and crystals as well. If any of you were wondering, it is designed to apply crystals as well. I'm just using the wax pencil to pick up my stones because I find that the easiest way and the most, like, the best way. I used to I'm getting my words muddled up. I'm just thinking back to when I used to do nails. I'd used to use like a dotting tool and dip it in top coat to pick up my crystals, but of course that really wasn't a good idea because it covers up the clarity and the cuts on the crystal and the fast. Used and the large petals and the big brown center. So yeah, I really loved the way this turned out. I think it looked Once you've sprinkled on that, you want to cure it in the lamp with for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to use the rainbow dust brush and just dust off the excess powder, and this is how stunning it looked. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, let's have a look at the final set. Look at it. It's bloody beautiful. I was so proud of this, and it makes me want to use crystals so much more, because I feel like I really don't use crystals that much, which is quite annoying because they are absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I'm definitely going to start using them a lot more. I hope you guys enjoyed this set, and I hope you love how it turned out. I absolutely adore it. I think it looks stunning, and you could do it in a multitude of colours and it would look absolutely bomb.com. If you loved it, do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it, and if you recreate it, don't forget to tag me on social media at Ninja Nail Fairy, because I love seeing your recreations and sharing them on my stories as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment of loads of sunflowers down below if you get this far in the video. I'm not sure many of you will, but if you do, thank you so much for your dedication and your support. It means so much to me. As always, remember that you are bomb.com. Lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. See you later, alligator.